As per the question or as per the problem, the sum of cubes of n natural numbers is given by means of S3. So here, as per condition or as per problem, sum of cubes of n natural numbers is given by means of S3. So here the natural numbers are of 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n, but here we have to find out the cubes. So here they are of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube up to n cube. So here it indicates the sum, that is the addition of the cubes of n natural numbers. So it is given by means of S3. But here we can assume, so here this has 1 cube to n cube, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus dash dash up to plus n cube is written by means of sigma, that is the summation of n cube. Then now, so it can be written by means of, so sigma n cube is equals to S3. Then the next logical step will be of, since sigma n cube is equals to S3, but here we can replace sigma n cube by means of n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square is equals to S3. So here we got this logical step by the reason, that is sigma n cube is replaced by means of n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 but whole square. So here therefore S3 is given by means of n into n plus 1 overall divided by 2 whole square is our third equation. But to be proved condition is of, here the to be proved condition is 9s2 square is equals to S3 into 1 plus 8s1 is the to be proved condition. So whereas in it the right hand side quantity is of S3 into 1 plus 8s1. So I want to take the right hand side now. So here according to right hand side the condition is of S3 into 1 plus 8s1. So that implies S3 is of n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 whole square bracket 1 plus 8 into S1. So here the first equation is of, so S1 is given by means of n into n plus 1 by 2. So it must be replaced in the place of S1. So here into n plus 1 overall divided by 2. But here the denominator, since it is of into, the denominator I mean 2 and the numerator of 8 will be gets cancelled because the into symbol in between. So 2 1s in the denominator and 2 4s in the numerator. So 4 into n is of 4n multiplied with n plus 1. Then the next logical step will be of, that implies n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square into 1 plus 4n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1 overall divided by 2 whole square bracket 1 plus 4n into n plus 1, 1 plus 4n into n plus 1, then the square bracket is closed. Then the next logical step will be of, that implies, so square is applicable for each and every term. So here it will be written as n square into n plus 1 whole square, because here it is applicable for even the bracket, that is n plus 1 whole square overall divided by 2 square, value is of 4. So within the bracket, so here 1 plus, so each and every term of this bracket must be multiplied with 4n with n, then later is 4n with 1. Then the next logical step will be of 4n into n is of 4n square plus 4n ones plus of plus is plus, then 4n ones is of 4n. So bracket close. Then now that implies n square into n plus 1 whole square overall divided by 4. Then now within this bracket, so The highest degree is of 2. I want to write the 4n square with positive in front as the first term, then the next term as plus 4n as the second term, then the 1 is of positive, I want to write it as plus 1. Then now that implies n square into n plus 1 whole square into, so here I want to write 4n square as 2n whole square, because 2 square is of 4 and n square is of n square. So here instead of 4n square I wrote it as 2n whole square plus, so last term is of 1, so I want it as 1 square. It is in the form of a square. When I assume, so here 2n as a and here 1 as b, the middle term will be of, it is of a square plus b square, middle term will be of 2ab, therefore it must be of 2 into a is of 2n into b is of 1. So here let us check up here, 2n whole square value is of 4n square, 1 square value is of 1, 2 into 2 is of 4, 4 into n is of 4n, 4n 1 is of 4n. Now it is in the form of, so here 2n is of a again, then 1 is of b, so 1 will be of b, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. Based upon this logic, based upon this special product, so here we are going to write the next logical step. Then the next logical step will be in this manner, then that implies, so overall divided by 4 is there, so then n square into n plus 1 whole square overall divided by 4. Since it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, it can be written as a plus b whole square, but here a value is of 2n plus b is of 1 again, but whole square. So here we need, as per the condition which is to be proved, the to be proved condition I say here there is of 9, that is 9s2 whole square. So 9s2 square, we need 9. So here 9 is missing here, so I want to multiply numerator and denominator by means of 9. So that implies by multiplying n, that is numerator, and as well as d, that is the denominator, by means of 9 in the previous logical step, then the next logical step will be of, so 9 by 9 into the remaining. So that implies, so 9 is multiplied in the numerator and similarly 9 is multiplied in the denominator into n square into n plus 1 whole square into 2n plus 1 whole square overall divided by 4. Then now, so here that implies 9 written as it is in the numerator, then now n square and n plus 1 whole square into 2n plus 1 whole square overall divided by 9 into 4 is of 36. Whereas in the next logical step, that implies, so here 9 into, so n square written as it is into n plus 1 whole square into 2n plus 1 whole square overall divided by this 36 can be written as, so here 36 can be splitted as 6 into 6, or in other words 6 is repeatedly multiplied twice, it can be written as 6 square. So here it can be written as 6 square as per this logical step. Based upon this logical step, I wrote this condition. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies 9. So for each and every term there is of exponent 2, 2 and 2. So here we can overall write as, so n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6, but whole square, because the exponent is of 2. Then now I got this logical step. So here since, so here a by b whole power m can be splitted as a power m divided by b power m. So here it is in the form of n square n plus 1 whole square 2n plus 1 whole square by 6 square. So here a power m and b power m, there are of, exponents are of same, I wrote it as the single exponent. So here also, since the exponents are of 2 each, so I wrote the exponent as to the power of m as to the power of 2. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies, so here 9 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 can be written as sigma of n square, but whole to the power of 2. So here as per the condition which we have derived previously, so here S2, so S2 is equals to sigma n square, so therefore sigma n square can be written as S2. So here that implies 9 into sigma n square can be written as S2, but here whole square is there. So it can be written as, so that implies, so 9 into S2 square, so which is equals to, so here as per the condition which is to be proved, so here we took RHS, that is S3 into 1 plus 8S1, then we reached n into, so 9 into S2 square, which is nothing but the left hand side. So 9S2 square is nothing but the right hand side, therefore, which is nothing but the left hand side. So in this manner we got, so here RHS is equals to LHS, or so here LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is proved.